How to buy crypto. If you're thinking of buying cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. Crypto.com offers a secure and easy way to buy crypto. Follow the steps below to get started. Sign up for an account on Crypto.com and verify your identity. Deposit fiat currency into your Crypto.com account. You can do this by a bank transfer or credit, debit card. Select the currency you want to buy and enter the amount. Click Buy. Your purchase will be processed, and the crypto will be deposited into your account balance. Congratulations, you've now successfully bought crypto on Crypto.com. FAQs about buying crypto on Crypto.com. Q. How much can I buy? A. There is no set limit to how much you can buy on Crypto.com. However, there may be limits imposed by your bank or credit, debit card provider. Q. What payment methods can I use? A. You can deposit fiat currency into your account via bank transfer or credit, debit card. Q. How long does it take for my purchase to be processed? A. Your purchase will typically be processed within a few minutes, but it might take longer. Q. Where can I see the crypto I've bought? A. Your crypto will be deposited into your account balance. You can view your account balance by logging into your Crypto.com account and going to the dashboard page. Q. Can I withdraw my crypto? A. Yes, you can withdraw your crypto from your Crypto.com account to an external wallet.